Hi friends, today's video is going to be 3 healthy protein smoothies that are going to be perfect for kicking off 2019. First, I want to talk about this IsoPure protein powder, which is unflavored, which is great for stuff like this because it just adapts the flavor of what you're trying to create. First up is orange mango. For this recipe, you're going to need 4 ounces of water, 140 grams of frozen mango, which make sure you tear out your scale so you can get an accurate measure here. I overdid mine just a little bit, but that was okay. I had the macros for it for the day. Then you're going to need 4 ounces of orange juice. I use the same container that I'm going to put my smoothie in. That way I don't waste any dishes. Next, you'll need 1 scoop of Vital Proteins collagen peptides. I just use this travel packet here. And 1 scoop of the IsoPure unflavored protein powder, which again, I really like this stuff because you can put it in anything and it does. Be sure to use a high-powered blender to blend everything together. That way you don't end up with clumps of protein powder like coming up through your straw or in your drink. That's really awful. And as you can see, this particular smoothie has 36 grams of protein, 0 grams of fat, and 34 carbs. Make sure to place it in an airtight container, and I would store this for anywhere for 24 to 48 hours, but I would shake it up before you drink it. Next up, we have strawberry mango. This one is very similar to the other one, but it has less carbs and just a slightly different flavor. First up, you're going to need 8 ounces of water. Then you'll need to add 4 ice cubes. And you'll want 140 grams of frozen strawberries. You'll want half a serving of frozen mango, which for this particular brand I was using was 70 grams. Then you'll want a scoop of Vital Proteins, or again, a travel packet. You'll want a scoop of protein powder, and you can see that this particular smoothie has 36 grams of protein, 0 grams of fat, and 24 carbs. So you can adjust what you put in these smoothies to fit your macros for the day. Last but not least is this cherry protein smoothie. As you can see, I had beets laid out, but I opened them up and smelt them and just could not add them to my smoothie. You're going to want 8 ounces of water, 145 grams of frozen cherries. Using frozen fruit in these smoothies really helps give it a thicker smoothie-like consistency, but you can also just use regular fruit and it'll just be a little thinner. A scoop of Vital Proteins collagen peptides, and another scoop of protein powder. Blend it all together and you can see that this particular smoothie has 34 grams of protein, 0 grams of fat, and 18 carbs, so the least carb heavy of the smoothies, but still really flavorful. Place this into an airtight container, and I would only keep this one for up to 24 hours. It seemed to separate a little more and a little quickly than the other two. Just shake before drinking. And there you have it, guys. 3 easy, healthy protein smoothies to get you off on the right foot on 2019. Thank you so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe for more content like this.